Is this lockdown affecting you mentally or don't know what to do at home? Do you really feel lonely or just want to strengthen your brain? I have an answer. Now you may ponder, what exactly do humans get from reading? Let me tell you, reading books benefit our mental and physical health, and those benefits will last a lifetime. Not only that, by reading, we gain a lot of knowledge wherein you fill your head with new bits of information every day, and you never know when it might come handy. The more knowledge you have, the more equipped you are to tackle any challenge. This video is going to be all about recommendation of books, wherein we recommend 5 best books to get you started. So stay throughout the video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Book 1, Big Magic, written and narrated by Elizabeth Gilbert, an American journalist who is best known for publishing international bestsellers, and this is one among them. In my opinion, this is a kind of a book where you can go back again and again when you need some encouragement in life, and when nothing feels right or nothing is working out, just sit down and read this book. And I'm sure once you've done that, you'll get back fully recharged, full of enthusiasm to create something extraordinary. So the takeaway from the book are what it takes to be creative and how to stay focused on creative. Book 2, The Red Queen by Victoria Aveyard, published in February 2015. It was her first novel and first series. So, this is a kind of a book in which, whenever you turn the pages, you never know what's gonna happen next. This book will absolutely blow our mind. It's about a dystopian world where people are divided by blood. Silver for the people with higher social orders and supernatural power, and red for the poor and maltreated. Once a girl called May discovers that she has silver power, that's when everything changes. Big twist, unexpected, unpredictable scenes just happen, and it'll make you stop for at least 20 minutes to stare at wall and just be amazed. Book 3, Stay. This is a novel, and if you're looking for a book that you can finish in one sitting, then this is book for you. Written by Catherine Ryan Hyde. She's an American novelist and short story writer. Most of her literary works are generally optimistic of ordinary people and character who are troubled. She's a hiker, she's a traveler, she's a photographer, and whatnot. This book narrates the story of 14 years old boy who fights for his life and run away from all of his problems. As a result, he ends up in the wood where he meets this person called Zoe, who lives isolated from the society. There grows their unexpected friendship. This beautiful story conveys the importance of peace, happiness, and life. The takeaway are the importance of friendship and have to be brave and embrace life like. Since there are so many things going around the world, and it is important to stay within ourselves and to mute the noise of negative thoughts, this book, Kindfulness by Ajam Ram, he's an abbot and spiritual director of Buddhist Society of Western Australia and has been monk for more than 300 years. Don't just be mindful, be kindful is advice said by the author in this book. He describes how kindness is a new form of meditation that can be paired along with mindfulness. His writing style just adds unique charm to this little book on meditation, and this book is perfect to read before bed. So the takeaways of this book are the benefits of meditation and how to grow strong in spiritual life. Book 5, Can't Hurt Me. This book is as strong as the title goes. It's an audiobook by David Goggin. He's a Navy SEAL, Army Ranger, ultra marathon runner, ultra distance cyclist, and motivational speaker too. In this incredibly inspiring autobiography, the author combines his life story with set of strategies to master your mind, and he shares his journey of transformation and how he overcame unimaginable pain and tragedy in life. And I'm sure you'll find at least one chapter that strongly resonates with your life. And after reading this book, I felt that the most important thing that our generation need is mental toughness, and that's what this book all about. Highly recommend. Can't Hurt Me can just change your life, and knowing his journey is worth your time. So the takeaway of this book are have to grow strong mentally and have to overcome your adversities and have to have mental toughness. So that was my time. Thank you for your time. See you next time. That was rhyming. I hope this video will help you out in some or the other way. And if you guys wanted to read any of the book, please check out the description. Links are provided. Please subscribe for Monday recommendation for more videos. And if you guys wanted to see me with more book recommendation, let me know in the comment section. This is Siri signing off.